All right, well, fog is rolling in, making it tomorrow a first alert weather day. Let's check in with meteorologist Anna DuVall. How could this impact the morning commute? I've seen a lot of pictures online. It looks bad, not even in this area, but kind of around the tri-state.
And even if you're driving out there tonight, fog is already starting to roll in. So definitely a first alert weather day tomorrow. Definitely can slow you down. Give yourself an extra couple of minutes. We also have rain by the evening hours for your Monday. That turns into widespread rain for our Tuesday. Then we have a pretty intense temperature drop on the way. Here's what it's looking like out there on clouds and radar right now. Completely clear, completely dry from anything. But that switch is going to flip pretty quickly going into tomorrow. This is what it's looking like tonight, though. 33, mostly clear skies throughout the night. And just a cool night ahead. It's going to be a little chilly out there. Here's that big picture for you. Here's where that dense fog advisory is settling in. That's just to the southwest there of Cincinnati. Everyone else has that special weather statement attached to them. That just means we're looking out for those spots of some dense fog there as well. Here's that first alert weather day for you for Monday morning. Again, widespread and patchy dense fog possible across the entire tri-state. I'll give you exact timing with that and with our rain chances ahead coming up in just a few minutes.
FOX19 now.
Well, a first alert weather day has been issued for tomorrow morning, and then we'll be dealing with some above average temperatures by the afternoon, then some rain, and then a winter preview is on the way. So we have a lot going on weather-wise, so let's go ahead, jump right into the forecast here. So again, tomorrow morning, widespread and patchy dense fog is possible throughout the tri-state. We do have a dense fog advisory you can see for those southwest counties from Cincinnati there. And the rest of us do have that special weather statement attached to us on the lookout for some of that dense patchy fog. This is what it's looking like out there right now. We have a few places with low visibility right now, and you can see a couple of those dense fog areas down to our southwest as well. Moving forward here, we can click through what it's going to look like tomorrow morning. It's not showing all that much across the tri-state. A lot of that is going to stay to the southwest, but it is very likely that we could see some of that dense fog across the tri-state moving through tomorrow. Other than the fog, we are going to be above average in terms of temperatures over the next couple of days. We do have some rain chances on the way for Monday evening going into Tuesday as well. Well, really, we have a winter preview on the way for your Thanksgiving. Things are really going to start to change up here. So this is what it's looking like over the next 3 days. Again, first alert weather day for Monday morning due to some foggy conditions being possible out there. 58 degrees, though, so a warm day in the center. We do have that shower chance on the way from the evening hours. Then we have scattered rain and storms throughout your Tuesday. 60 degrees is your high temperature there. 52 is your high for Wednesday, but that's going to be around 2 a.m. We have a cold front that's going to pass through, and temperatures are actually going to drop throughout the day. I'll show you that in just a second here. Let's get through the rain. This is what it's looking like Monday, 9 p.m. You can see some of those spotty shower chances starting to move on in there. And then we kind of get widespread rain there. 2 a.m. This is already starting to take over the tri-state. And then that'll just continue 5 a.m. right in time for your morning commute. We'll see multiple rounds of rain coming through the area. Here's that last bit of rain. This is at noon on Tuesday. Most of the rain will be gone by the time you reach the late afternoon, but definitely a few of those spotty showers are still possible moving into the evening hours as well on your Tuesday. This is what it's looking like regionally for your temperatures. I just wanted to show you that temperature drop here. 58 degrees there, Cincinnati area Tuesday. Then as we move into Wednesday, 1 a.m., here's your high temperature. You can really see that thermal divide here where that cold front is sitting. And once that pushes through, you can see temperatures drop throughout the day. Wednesday, 4 p.m., 42 degrees, and those will continue to drop into the evening hours. Thursday, for your Thanksgiving, high temperatures in the mid to upper 30s. So definitely different conditions than we're feeling in the beginning portion of the week. And then we have those low to mid 30s there as we move into Friday. Saturday, very similar conditions. We start to feel that boost once again there as we move into Sunday. Temperatures will rise once again into the 50s, more seasonal for this time of year. But for now, we do have that first alert weather day tomorrow morning due to some fog. Pretty warm temperatures by the afternoon hours, and then we have showers start to move in. That will linger on into Tuesday, early morning into the afternoon. This is Wednesday when that temperature drops throughout the day. 52 degrees around 2 a.m. and then that starts to drop throughout your day. Your Thursday for Thanksgiving in the upper 30s, and then we have that wintry mix on the way for your weekend ahead.